Nuh, Noah. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
إنا أرسلنا نوحا إلى قومه أن أنذر قومك من قبل أن يأتيهم عذاب أليم.
We sent Noah to his people, saying, Warn your people before a grievous punishment comes upon them.
قال يا قوم إني لكم نذير مبين.
He said, O my people, I am a plain warner to you.
أن اعبدوا الله واتقوه وأطيعون.
I say to you that you should worship Allah and take him as a shield and obey me.
يغفر لكم من ذنوبكم ويؤخركم إلى أجل مسمى إن أجل الله إذا جاء لا يؤخر لو كنتم تعلمون.
If you do so, he will protect you from the commitment of sins and also the punishment of your sins. And by prolonging your lives, he will grant you reprieve till an appointed term. Verily, the time of the divine decree appointed by Allah cannot be held back once it falls due. If only you had been a possessor of true knowledge, you would have known this.
قال رب إني دعوت قومي ليلا ونهارا.
Then seeing his people's persistent denial, he, Noah, said, At long last, My Lord, I have called my people to you day in and day out.
فلم يزدهم دعائي إلا فرارا.
But the more I call them, the more they flee from me.
وإني كلما دعوتهم لتغفر لهم جعلوا أصابعهم في آذانهم واستغشوا ثيابهم وأصروا واستكبروا استكبارا.
As often as I call them to you, so that you might protect them against the commitment of further sins, and also against the evil consequences of their sins, they plugged their ears with their fingers, and drew their cloaks around them, and thus covered their hearts, and persisted in their stubbornness and denial, and behaved in an extremely insolent manner.
ثم إني دعوتهم جهارا.
Then I invited them to you openly.
ثم إني أعلنت لهم وأسررت لهم إسرارا.
Then I spoke to them in public as well as in private, to make them understand the truth somehow.
فقلت استغفروا ربكم إنه كان غفارا.
And I said, Seek the protection of your Lord, for he is great protector, as ever.
يرسل السماء عليكم مدرارا.
If you listen to me, he will send upon you clouds raining over and over again in abundance.
ويمددكم بأموال وبنين ويجعل لكم جنات ويجعل لكم أنهارا.
He will add to your wealth and children. He will provide for you gardens and will place streams at your disposal to make you prosperous.
ما لكم لا ترجون لله وقارا.
And so did Prophet Muhammad say, People, what is wrong with you that you have no faith in the majesty of Allah and no hopes for being granted honor and greatness from Allah?
وقد خلقكم أطوارا.
Whereas he has created you passing you through various stages and endowed you with different qualities?
ألم تروا كيف خلق الله سبع سماوات طباقا
Do you not consider how Allah created these 7 heavens, one upon another in perfect conformity with one another?
وجعل القمر فيهن نورا وجعل الشمس سراجا
And He has set the moon in their midst for light, and the sun He has made as a glorious lamp.
والله أنبتكم من الأرض نباتا
It is Allah who germinated you from the earth in a wonderful growth.
ثم يعيدكم فيها ويخرجكم إخراجا
Then will He return you to it and then raise you to a new life on the day of awakening.
والله جعل لكم الأرض بساطا
Allah has made the earth a vast expanse for you,
لتسلكوا منها سبلا فجاجا
that you may traverse its spacious paths for the development of civilization and also to attain spiritual perfection.
قال نوح رب إنهم عصوني واتبعوا من لم يزده ماله وولده إلا خسارا
Noah said, My Lord, they, my people, have disobeyed me. They follow such leaders whose wealth and children only add to their loss.
ومكروا مكرا كبارا
They have devised a mighty and heinous plan against the Prophet.
وقالوا لا تذرن آلهتكم ولا تذرن ودا ولا سواعا ولا يغوث ويعوق ونسرا
And they say one to another, Never abandon your gods. Neither abandon Wad nor Su'a, nor should you abandon Yaguth and Ya'uk and Nasr.
وقد أضلوا كثيرا ولا تزد الظالمين إلا ضلالا
Thereupon the Prophet prayed, Lord, and indeed they have led many people astray, and add to the disappointment of these wrongdoers.
مما خطيئاتهم أغرقوا فأدخلوا نارا فلم يجدوا لهم من دون الله أنصارا
Accordingly, these people were drowned and made to enter the fire because of their wrongdoings. They found none against Allah who could help them.
وقال نوح رب لا تذر على الأرض من الكافرين ديارا
And Noah had prayed to his God, My Lord, do not leave a single dweller from among the disbelievers on the land.
إنك إن تذرهم يضلوا عبادك ولا يلدوا إلا فاجرا كفارا
For if you leave them thus, they will only lead your servants astray, and will beget only immoral and ungrateful children.
رب اغفر لي ولوالدي ولمن دخل بيتي مؤمنا وللمؤمنين والمؤمنات ولا تزد الظالمين إلا تبارا
My Lord, protect me and my parents, and those who enter my house bearing true faith, and all the believing men and believing women. Lord, as for the wrongdoers, grant them no increase except in perdition.